Hi. In this video, we will look at two other examples for prime factorization. Suppose I consider a number 350. Now let us try to find out the prime factorization for 350. How we are going to do that? We'll start with factor tree. Now we have 350 can be exactly divisible by 2 as well as 5. This number, it ends with 0. Now from the divisibility test, you know that this number is exactly divisible by 2. It is also exactly divisible by 5. It is also exactly divisible by some other prime numbers as well. But let us first stick on to only 2 and 5. Now let us start with the minimum number, say 2. Now when the number is exactly divisible by 2, I mean to say that it does not leave any remainder, right? Now here you started with 2. What should come here is the number, that number which when multiplied by 2 will give you 350, or we are actually doing 350 divided by 2, which will give you 175, right? Now 2 is a prime number, but 175 is a composite number again. Now let us try to break this composite number again into the prime factors. Now you know 175, the number which ends with 5, is exactly divisible by 5. So let us start with 5 here. What number will come here? We want that number which when multiplied by 5 will give you 175, or in other words, let us divide 175 by 5, that will give you 35, right? Now 5 is a prime number, but 35 is a composite number again. Let us now divide this into its prime factors, which is 5 and 7, because 5 times 7 is 35. Now if you observe, 5 and 7 both are prime numbers. So now we have got our prime factors, that is 2, 5, 5 and 7, isn't it? So I can write 350 as 2 times 5 times 5 times 7. Now let me see if I can have any other way of representing any other prime numbers, or any other way of doing the prime factorization for 350. Let us start with 350 again. Let us start with the same factor tree, but this time you know that it is exactly divisible by 2, so we started with 2. But here let us now start with 5. What happens if I divide 350 by 5? I get 70 here, or 70 times 5 is 350. Now 70 is an even number. This ends with 0. It's an even number. So it is exactly divisible by 2. It is exactly divisible by 5. And if you can see, this is also divisible by 7. Right? This is also divisible by 7. 7 times 10 is 70, and 7 is also a prime number. Now what happens if, let me start with the say 7 now in this case. Say I want to divide this 70 with 7. 7 is also a prime number, right? So 7 times 10 will give you 70. Now here 7 is a prime number, but 10 is a non-prime, that is 10 is composite. Now let us break this down again into its prime factors, and you know 5 times 2 is 10. Now 5 and 2 are the prime numbers. So what have you got? You have got the prime factors again as 5, 7, 5 and 2. So you are able to write 350 as 5 times 7 times 5 times 2, which is the same thing again. Now I used for 70, I know that it is divisible by 2, 5, 7. I have started with 7. Now let me start this 350. I will start with 5. I get 70. Here instead of 7, let me start with 2. What do you get? If I use 2 here, you know that 2 times 35 is 70. Again 5 times 7 is 35, which will give you the same result, that is 5, 2, 5 and 7. Or if I use 350, this is 5, this is 70. Instead of 2 and 35, let me start. I have used 7, I have used 2. Let me start with 5 this time. 14 times 5 will give you 70, and 2 times 7 is 14, which will give you the same result. 5 times 5 times 2 times 7, which is the same combination. You understand? There is another number that I told you is the 7. 7 times 50 will give you 350, isn't it? 350. I can write it as, if I start with 7, 7 times 50 is 350. Now here again 5 times 10 is 50. 10 is again 5 times 2, which is the same number again. Same combination. So if you observe, in all the factor trees that you have, in all the methods of prime factorization, you end up having the same numbers 2, 5, 5 and 7, right? 5, 5, 7, 2. This is also 5, 5, 2, 7, which is the same combination. This is the reason why we go for prime factorization of numbers. Why do you study prime factorization of numbers? You know that if I can write, if I ask you, can you please express 350 as a multiple of two numbers? I can think it as 5 times 70. You can think it as 2 times 175. Some other person may think it as 10 times 35. All the three combinations are correct, but they are not unique. What is unique here is the prime factorization. If I ask you to factorize or represent 350 in its prime factors, then there is only one unique combination that is possible, which is 2 times 5 times 5 times 7 in all the cases. This is a reason that we go for prime factorization. Let us now look at another example, say 588. I want to find out the prime factorization of 588. You can proceed with the same factor tree. Say I want to, because this is an even number, I want to start with 2. This will give me 294 here. Now if I because 294 is again an even number and 2 is a prime number, we are not going to divide it further. 294 is an even number. I will start with 2 again. This will give me 147, and if I factorize 147, let me say this starts with 3, I get, say this is 49, and this will give me 7 times 7 is 49. So my prime factors here are 2, 2, 3, 7, 7. That is 2 times 2 times 3 times 7 times 7 will give me 588. Or let me also use the second method which we have learnt, that is, drawing two lines perpendicular like this. Let me start with the 2 here. This will give me 2, this is 9 and this is 4. Now if I start with the 2 again, I get 1, 4, this will give me 7, and let me say I want to start here with 7, this will give me 21, and again 7 will give me 3, and 3 times 1 is 3. So that means to say 588, I can represent it as 2 times 2 times 7 times 7 times 3. Right? So in either way you solve it, either this way or using the factor tree method, whichever way you solve it, the final combination of the prime factors that you get is always the same, that is 2. This can be represented, if I want to represent it in terms of exponents, I can write it as 2 square 2 power 2, because there are two 2's here, so I'm just writing a superscript which is 2. This is 7 power 2 times 3, right? So this is prime factorization for 588.